Alright, let's start adding some images to our slides here. And I'm going to use a mix of inline style, sheet, CSS, and also standard CSS to do this because I want different images. There might be another way to do this. If you find another way or a better way, if you feel like, do this. I'm going to do it this way. So in here, in the first slide I have up here, I'm going to type in style, and I'm going to attach different things here. And one thing is going to be like, I'm going to attach a different background color for each of these, and I'm going to attach a image for this part. So first thing first, I'm going to attach a background image and the URL for this, of course, so we can actually get that one. And in usual CSS, you would type these double quotes here, but because we're using the system and in the HTML, it's going to blow the system up basically because it starts here, ends here, and just delete them. It starts here, ends here, and that's what it understands, the system. So just have that, 2 dots, and when we need to 2 more, to go back and into the assets folder, /images, and I already downloaded some images. That was a PNG, so a transparent background in my case, and I downloaded one with Deadpool. And that's the first one I'm gonna put in. So let's click save and see if Deadpool is here. Deadpool is here now, fantastic. That's kind of almost pretty right now. But we're going to make it more pretty as we go on. I'm just going to add a little bit more to the other ones. So copying this up here. Yes, very nice, into the next slide. And I no longer want to have Deadpool for this. I want to have Blue Horsey. Yes, there's a somewhat of a purpose for this, but only very little. I'm gonna copy this, go to the image slide down here, and change the background color, background image again to Deadpool Taxi. Fantastic. So now we have our 3 different images, and we can. I don't want to show you those yet. Kind of ruins the fun for me. But that's kind of the initial part of just implementing the background images here. And right now, actually, I can only, whoa, if I can do this correct, I have to do this to like change images, so I had to do a slide like I would on a phone, but that's kind of not super awesome because we're not on a phone. So up to my Ion slides here, we're going to add something called pager, which is short for basically pagination, which is what you know from Google when you click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through the searches. So let's click for that, save, and go back. And now you can see there like this little button down here, and I don't want to click them yet because you can see them now, the buttons there. So we just added 1 for each image we put in, and that's the system the system will do that by itself. So don't worry about how it puts in 3. It's because there's 3. So that's kind of the standard of what the HTML part that we actually did now, and then the next one we'll continue with styling it.